So Voices from Care Cymru is a national organisation that is embedded within children's rights because they are vulnerable. They don't have that scaffold of support. So what we've done in Voices is recruit young people from across Wales that is willing to talk about their lived experience in order to make that difference. Our young people tell us, listen to the people of a lived experience.
So I think it's important that every young person gets their voices heard, because a lot of the time we would suffer in silence. We wouldn't stand up for our own rights, we wouldn't stand up for ourselves. There's always that support behind you to encourage you to use your voice. It doesn't matter what other people think. I have a right to speak. We're there to make the most positive change to the care community as we can.
Cascade Voices is a research advisory group. We work with care experienced young people that are members of Voices from Care specifically to contribute and then sometimes co-produce some of the research that we do at the centre. So we provide research methods training. You can just see them come out of themselves.
I've developed confidence. It's encouraged me to speak out. We may not have had the best of upbringings, but we can still make that change within the care community to make other young people's upbringing better than what we may have had.